Instagram, how to add music to post. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add music to post on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to add music to post on your Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and open up Instagram. To add a music to post is very simple. Tap the plus icon here and then just select the option called post, and then just select a random post that you would like to post over here and then tap the next option. And then when you tap the next option, right at the top you'll find the music icon. So now you can tap the music icon and then you can just select the music that you like here and then tap the done option. Now in case you just happen to miss it, right, you just go ahead and then remove this. You can also tap the next option here, and from here also you can tap the add music option, select the music that you want to add to your post over here, and then you should be good to go from there onwards as well. Remember that once you add a music to your post and then post it, later on you cannot remove only the music and keep the post, because once you add a music it will get converted to a video, and videos cannot be converted to photos unless you delete and then repost them again. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.